Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this red burgundy sparkly makeup look. To start this look, I use the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette for the red burgundy shade, and I'm putting this in the crease and blending out. Next, I'm using the Juvia's Place Berries palette for the lighter pink shade, and I'm using this as a transition color to blend out the red. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, and I'm using the dark burgundy shade, and I'm putting this on the lids. Next, for the sparkles, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Highlighter, and I'm using this over top of the burgundy shades. Then, using the Berries palette again, I'm going to be using this kind of sparkly red shade, and I'm putting this over top of the lids. For the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and I'm topping these with false lashes. And that completes this sparkly burgundy red makeup look. I think this would be great for Valentine's Day or any occasion. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.